One day, little Gecko lost his tail. "Oh no, my tail is gone," he cried. I need a new tail." He saw a cow eating grass. "Excuse me, can I borrow your tail?" Cow shook his head. "Sorry, I need it to chase flies." Then he saw Monkey in a tree. "Hello, can I borrow your tail?" Monkey laughed. "Sorry, I need it to swing." Then he saw Swallow flying. "Hey, can I borrow your tail?" Swallow said, "Sorry, I need it to control my direction." Little Gecko felt sad. He crawled home slowly. He told his mom everything. Mom smiled. "Sweetie, turn around and look. Wow, I have a new tail. It grew back all by itself." Like and follow.